I'm going to make the kimchi today. I have about 2 pounds of Chinese cabbage. It have to be Chinese cabbage, not American cabbage. And I have 8 ounces of relish and half ounce of green onion and 1/4 cup of sea salt. And also for the marinade, I have 1 tablespoon garlic, 1 tablespoon ginger, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of red pepper. But for the pepper, you can use 2 to 5 tablespoons. It depends how spicy you want. But I think 2 tablespoons for me is already spicy enough. And I have 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar. So I put everything in it. And the sauce, and the pepper, and the water, and the sugar. It's already good enough. Okay, I leave it on the side. I'm going to use it later. And for the cabbage, I'm going to put 1/4 cup of sea salt in it. Then I massage it for 2 minutes. Okay, after 2 minutes, you see they are throwing a little bit. They go smaller. So I'm going to put the water in it and cover it. So just enough water to cover the cabbage. And I put the plate on top of it and leave it for 2 hours. Okay, this is after 2 hours already. So remove the plate and I'm going to wash off all the salt and at least 2 times. Okay, I'm going to take away the water and I'm going to do it 2 more times. And make sure all the salt are warmed out. Okay, I need to wash 1 more time. And I try to pushing down the water a little bit. Okay, this looks good. When you do this recipe, make sure you wear gloves because they're spicy, really strong. Don't want to go to your fingernail. And I have to put the relish and the green onion in it too. got some over here. I don't want to waste it, so I'm gonna. And you have to using your hand to massage it again. Okay, after that, then you're gonna put it in a jar. And pushing down, make sure all the sauce go into the cabbage. And leave it outside temperature for 2 or 3 days. And you try it, you think that will be taste good enough to you, then put it in a cooler. And also I did that one 1 month ago, so how to turn out like that. Okay, that's how I make today the kimchi.